Dealing with upset children. जब हम पढ़ाते हैं तो कई बार हमें इमोशनल अपसेट बच्चों को डील करना पड़ता है। उनके अपसेट होने के हजारों कारण हो सकते हैं और इस सिचुएशन को एक पर्सनल टच के साथ डील करना पड़ता है। बट पॉसिबली द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज टू calm the situation down quickly so you can get to the cause of the problem. Today, my tips will help you to take control of the situation promptly and effectively. Tip number one, be firm and gentle. When children become upset, the most important thing is to get them settled as quickly as possible so you can get to the bottom of it. Telling them firmly that they need to calm down usually works more quickly than a lot of sympathy, which can inflame emotions further. Tip number two, act quickly to settle children who don't want to be left in school by their parents. Generally, they cling to whoever has brought them in. However, being firm usually sorts the problem out more quickly than prolonging the situations. Tell parents to leave them with you and let them cry. You assure that you can handle and will call back when they settle. बताएं, रोना अच्छा है. They are understanding your importance. Tip number three, if a child is upset, don't change your expectations. If children think they might get special favors or wriggle out of something they don't want to do just because they appear to be upset, then there is no incentive for them to calm down. Obviously, you have to be sensitive to the situation, but as a general rule, letting children off the hook does not help in a long term. Tip number four, if an upset child becomes disruptive, send for help. If possible, get help from someone else. When an upset child becomes disruptive, he needs to be removed from the class to avoid disrupting the rest of the class. You may have to restrain the child to prevent harm to the child or others, but take extra care never to use excessive physical force, which cannot ever be ignored. Tip number five, give a child time and space to calm down. Sometimes getting upset might make children feel that they have lost face with the rest of the class. Giving them a little time and space by themselves gives them a chance to recover their composure and their dignity. Tip number six, keep other children away. A crowd is not always conducive to get an angry or distressed child to calm down. The sympathy seems to make them feel even more sorry for themselves. Again, it's a matter of being sensitive to the situation, but generally, removing such children from the center of attention helps them to recover more quickly. Tip number seven, if your discipline of children upsets them, don't let them get away with things for the sake of a quiet life. Instead, it can be a good idea to get them to sit quietly on their own and think about what they have done. This ensures that you have not climbed down, but it also ensures that you don't end up upsetting the children further. Tell children, you can tell me about anything. Remember, getting children to bring their problems to you instead of bottling them up and dealing with them by themselves is usually a good deal. This may make more work for you, but reassuring the children that you are on their side is very important. So handle them with care and love. Thank you.